Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome class 7th in your physics class. I hope you all have completed physics work. If you haven't completed yet, complete it. Okay students, our today's topic is radiation. If you stand in front of fire on a winter day, you feel hot. The heat you received certainly does not come to you by conduction or convection. Here you receive heat by a third way in which hot energy is transferred from one body to another in exactly the same manner as light. This way is called radiation. In radiation, heat is transmitted from one body to another in a straight line in all directions and at a very great speed without affecting the intermediate particles. Heat is transmitted from the sun to the earth by radiation. Then we say that the sun radiated heat, and this heat is called radiant heat. All the hot objects, solids, liquids and gases radiates heat. The amount of heat radiated by a hot body depends on its temperature and its color and nature. White, shiny, smooth surfaces are better reflectors, while black, dull and rough surfaces are better absorbers. Next is practical application of black and white surfaces. First is outside bottom of kitchen utensils is painted black, whereas inside bottom is polished. So children, outside bottom of kitchen utensils is painted black so that utensil is able to absorb maximum heat. The shiny coating inside makes sure that the heat absorbed is not lost and stays within the utensil. Next, dark and light colored clothes. In winter, people prefer black or dark colored clothes because dark colored clothes absorb more heat and keep us warm. In summer, people prefer to wear white or light colored clothes because white or light colored clothes absorb less heat and keep us cool. Third, room heaters has a polished reflectors. A room heater has a polished reflector. It reflects almost the entire heat coming from the heating element to the front side of the heater. Next is outside walls of a house are painted white in hot countries. So children, in place of hot climate, it is advised that the outer walls of house be painted white because white color does not absorb any heat radiation from the sun, which keep inside cool even if there is hot climate outside the house. Next is thermoflask. You all have seen thermoflask in your homes. You all have used it also. Okay, so thermoflask is a special kind of vessel that keep hot liquids hot and cold liquids cold for a long time. It does not allow transfer of heat by conduction, convection and radiation. It was invented by Sir James Dewar. Hence, it is also called Dewar flask or Dewar vessel. Okay, what is the construction? So, a thermoflask consists of double-walled glass flask having vacuum between the walls. It is kept inside a metallic case with cork supporters. The outer and the inner surfaces of the glass flask are highly silvered to reduce or prevent the heat loss by radiation. The mouth of the flask is filled with airtight cork and a plastic cap is screwed over the stopper. Plastic cap because plastic is a bad conductor of heat. Okay. The vacuum between the two walls of the flask prevent transfer by conduction or convection. The airtight cork is a bad conductor of heat and it prevents any loss of heat by conduction or convection. So because of the above reasons, the loss of heat to its surroundings is very small. Thus a thermoflask is used to keep hot liquids hot and cold liquids cold for several hours. Okay student, your chapter is finished now. Now what you have to do, go through the chapter, read the chapter thoroughly and do all the exercises. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.